Welcome to this guided morning meditation for a positive day. It will help to raise your vibration and set your mind to have a successful and happy day. Take your pose. Finding the stability in the sitting bones. And stretch up, creating space along your spine and reaching up with your crown. At the same time, on exhalation, feel grounded. Taking a deep, sweet inhale and maybe exhaling through the mouth with a sigh of relief. Listen to the sound of your breath. Falling back behind the sound into the inner silence that exists beyond all the layers of sound. You are very present right now, here, as you breathe in energy into your body, sensing your inner space. And as you watch your inner space, you might notice background emotions or thoughts, and you just naturally include them into your experience, always stepping back to the place you observe from, allowing everything to be as is. And right now, let yourself fall into the deeper self. Finding that place in you where you feel that deeper self. Relax into that place, surrendering to its guidance. And visualize that with every breath, the soft light shines from the place of your deeper self, shining in every corner of your body and creating a soft sphere of light around you. This field is a field of high vibrations that attract similar vibrations, allowing only the good to come through. And now another deep breath, preparing your mind for the day ahead and opening your mind and heart to unlimited possibilities. Choose several words to describe how you want your day to be for you and how you want to feel today. Maybe easygoing or joyful or creative, anything that comes from the depth of your heart. And then repeat in your mind, I am, add in that word. I am creative. I am unconditionally joyful. I am productive. In your mind, repeat your own words, noticing how they feel for you, allowing yourself to feel some of that energy right now in your field of high vibrations. And now let it go and take another deep breath. This time holding the breath inside for several seconds. Again, allowing your mind to become spacious and embrace everything. Let a gentle smile appear on your face. And welcome yourself to this new day. And let it be a happy day that you enjoy. Goodbye for now. Till the next morning.